Friends, what's up? So the question is where will Tesla be in the long term? And that's the question an investor should ask himself. I mean, I'm talking right now to really investors of Tesla, and being an investor in Tesla, if I look on the long term, of course, in short term, you cannot say where the stock will be. Will it be 80? Will it be 60, 50? You know, but in long term, I think that this is a huge opportunity, because this company is working on or in multiple sectors: energy, AI, cars, you know, robotics. So I think we have a very good runway and a call option basically on the problems that Tesla is trying to solve, but which had never been solved before. This is the thing, you know, it's not like it's copying or going through a path which has been already made, but it's going by its own path, solving the problems which have not been yet solved before. Then, so this is the vectorial, the vector of Tesla, of solving this huge problems of labor with the Tesla bot, of logistics with the autopilot. And if they solve them, it's going to be a huge company with a huge margin and with a huge PE. Okay, then if they take more time to solve them, the PE will be, you know, probably at 20-ish, depending on the growth, depending on the margins. But let's say the growth is not 50 but 30, and the margin is not, you know, 15% but 7, 8 to 10%. Then in that case, probably the PE of Tesla would be at about 20, 15, 20 in the bear market, maybe up to 10 in the bear market, and in the bull market we would be probably at a 20, 30, maybe even coming to 40. So that's the price range I believe that Tesla will be trading when we go, you know, into the bear market, which probably might happen in 20 or end of 2023 to 2024, but not taking into account the huge progress that can be made in the autopilot and Tesla bot, which I'm not taking into account in this calculation basically. So that's my thoughts on Tesla. It's not a financial advice. I think that this is a huge opportunity. If you can buy, you have the balls to hodl, not sell, and if it falls more, buy more. Once again, not financial advice. And then we can see what has been done with, you know, what other YouTubers do. Like, for example, you have Meet Kevin that bought Tesla at a price range of 300. His average is 300, so he bought for approximately 25 million. Now he's down 15 million on the stock. He's not selling. Moreover, he opened his own ETF, which is called PP, for purchase power ETF, and he is buying like 25% of his weight is in Tesla. Then you have another YouTuber which you know, sold at highs, Tesla at highs, and then bought back at 150, and then sold half of what he bought. I believe he bought like $500,000 worth of sales of Tesla shares, and he will so he sold 50% of his holdings. The Pak Chicken, you know, he's a pretty more of a day trader YouTuber, so but just nice to see what he's doing as well. and he's saying that we can go to 60, with his major argument being that Elon is saying that, or you know, he understands that Elon or he, like, thinks that there's probably a demand problem, and in order to demand problem because of the crisis, because of the interest rates are going up, and people in their majority are using credit to buy Tesla stock. So that's why their cars are becoming more expensive, and that's why in order to have the same expansion or growth, you have to drop the price, and that's what he's doing now. And he said that Elon said that in crisis times we can be negative, or you know, at break even, basically selling at a zero margin. And if that happens, that for sure has not been priced, probably not been priced at the price now. And if we see that the margins went from 15 to like 5, I think that Tesla can crush even more to a $50. But looking at the long term, I think that Tesla should be trading in a bull market at approximately of PE of 40, not having the autopilot, not having the Tesla bot, just, you know, progressing and selling 30% sales year on year. I think that PE of 30-40 should be something that is very possible. And right now Tesla is trading on a forward PE of approximately 22-24 for the fourth quarter. Okay, so we have some things to think about. In terms of, if you're a long-term investor, I don't think that Tesla will have a structural problem, because we're in the energy transition, and it looks like everyone is going into the energy, you know, EV transition. And I think that Tesla will probably have 20% of the whole market there, whereas others, they have to, like Tesla and Volkswagen, you know, where they sell 20 and 15 million cars, to stay at the same PE, they have to, or market cap, they have to be selling this 20 to 15 million cars. Will they able to do it? I don't know. But will Tesla be able to sell their 10 million, 15 million cars? There's a huge chance of that occurring, and selling 15 million cars from 1.5 million cars now is a 10x in any case. Plus they have other businesses like energy storage, you know, the power walls and things like that, of course, which has a very solar panels which have low margin, but it's still a good diversification and good vertical integration in their energy business. See you, my friends.